Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can block unwanted FaceTime audio call on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So here, as I'm doing the video, someone is actually calling me. I don't know who it is. And because I don't want to answer it right now, I can choose leave it as it is. And then what we can do is open up FaceTime. And in here, you can see there is a today call in the list. So what you're going to do is tap on the information button. Okay, so if they keep calling you, you can just ignore them for now. So something just happened right there. You can see if I put my hand over, it just kind of like turn off or something. So I don't know what's going on, but so if I wave my hand, okay, so that's kind of cool. If I wave my hand, it kind of like ends the call. I didn't know that features. Maybe it's a features or not. I don't know. I'm going to find out later. And so tap on the information button, and then tap on block this caller. Then tap on block contact, and that's how you can block a caller or an unwanted caller on FaceTime. And that's it. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.